Oh, it didn't even give me the countdown.
Hi.
We're just here.
How are you?
All right.
So, we are here, Carrie and Hailey, and we are going to do today's cocktail. But I have to tell you, so Hailey, you missed out yesterday.
Certainly did.
So-
That's why I'm back.
so she's
I'm gonna
back
Can I
and-
go on here and then look at
Okay.
the comments?
Yeah. And she's in charge of today's drink. So I don't know what we're going to do. I don't know what we're going to make. So it's going to be a big surprise. And we are going to, she's got like it all prepped here and everything.
I do.
You're so fancy.
They can't even see it. To angle it down.
Angle it down. Okay.
A little bit.
A little bit.
Anyways, I'm here,
Okay.
backed by popular demand because, oh yeah, that's good.
Right
That's
there?
good. Yeah.
Okay.
Because I saw everybody's comments yesterday with my brother, and like I don't know what happened. He was on there making what did he make to eat?
Oh, we made smoothies.
No, but he made like what are
He
they?
made a hash brown.
He was making hash browns. Like that is not what this time is for.
Well, I mean, I don't believe a hash brown is a good pairing for a smoothie.
Hunter doesn't care.
But you could actually pair food with what we're making. But yeah, hash brown is odd.
Ironically, he's a teenager and he still eats like mac and cheese and hash browns.
Yeah,
and, like, that's
it was a little different. But you know what?
So we're back.
He did it with me, and
Yes,
so that's all
yeah,
I can ask
yeah.
for. So it
we're
was
back
good.
and we're making strawberry daiquiris.
Oh
I know that usually it's made with lime, but like I'm not. Are you a lime fan?
no,
Not a lime fan. I'm a lemon
I'm
fan.
actually not a lemon fan either. But I know you
Oh.
are. So we're
I'm a
gonna go
lemon
with
fan.
it.
I can eat like a lemon with a spoon.
Yeah,
And be absolutely okay.
No, it's not okay.
So, hi everyone that's just logging on.
Hi.
Yeah, I prepped it out so we can like do more talking and less fussing
Oh, fussing.
with everything.
Okay.
So we're like a little bit more prepared this time.
Okay. Give us some hearts and likes. Let us know you're there. Say hi. I can't really see everybody,
It's
but
okay, I have everyone right here. We're fine.
oh, okay, perfect.
We're
Okay,
absolutely
good.
fine.
Just making sure that everybody's on there. What?
Andrea said, well, in his defense, milk and Malibu don't usually pair either. Ooh.
Okay, Haley gave me a really hard time.
I feel like that
about
was at you.
That was
not
that was,
at
that
me.
was shots fired.
I take no offense to
But
that.
let me tell you, Haley was livid that I was pairing milk and Malibu. But
First off, all school is online right now. For parents, like I run schools for parents. Like if you need help, throw a chat in because it's hard out there for parents right now, especially with younger kids who aren't in school. It's like it's a struggle. But for college kids, like I'm in my master's program, and you know. Online platforms are hard to pay attention to. Like, I'm surprised we still have viewers on right now, you know? Like, it's hard to sit here and watch it. Well, you guys are probably bored. But it's, like, hard to sit here and watch a video.
They're going to make a cocktail with us.
So
next
night...
time we should give them the recipe so they can get it ready with us.
I dig it.
That'd be so fun.
Last night, I'm, like, in bed on my class, like, really on Facebook, and I'm watching them mix milk.
It was delicious.
In with alcohol. And I was like...
I'm telling you, it was good.
You know what the worst part is? Post-show, she brought it in my room and was like, oh my gosh, you need to try this. I'm like, there's pudding in there, there's milk, there's alcohol.
See
like,
what happens when you leave me on my own? That's what happens.
It went a little sideways.
But wait, but let's be honest.
Okay.
How was it?
It tasted like butt.
You are a liar.
It was not great.
How was it? Yesterday's cocktail was good. Oh, I got 2 thumbs
Okay,
up.
my dad who doesn't drink gave a thumbs. I feel like that is absurd. Well, you couldn't taste the alcohol because my mom puts like this much in. So it was really a smoothie.
Yeah, and you could put milk in smoothies, right?
Yeah, but not with alcohol. She's not getting the concept, guys. It's like putting cheese on fish. You just don't do it.
Oh, that was the wrong part, is that the alcohol went in with the milk, not that the milk went in with the smoothie.
No, milk, yeah.
See, I don't make either of them, so I don't really know.
We're going to get started.
We're going to get started. Here we go.
We're going to get started. And I'm going to put strawberries first.
Okay.
I've measured it out so we don't look like buffoons because they're all frozen strawberries. You know how it's hard to like dig out frozen strawberries.
Are you saying I looked like a buffoon yesterday?
That's not what I said.
Between Hunter
that
and
is what she inferred.
Between Hunter and his Hawaiian tropic outfit and his eating.
Yeah.
Okay, first of all.
And then we have simple syrup, which I read is just sugar water. And it is.
So we don't have that
we
here.
Have sugar and water.
We have sugar and water, which I'm not sure that's right, but I love sugar.
Someone comment and tell her it's right.
Please,
Someone comment.
Please, Nicole, if you're watching, turn it off. Again, Nicole and the sugar.
No, she knows it's going to happen.
All right. Let us know what you guys are drinking. What are you guys doing to stay sane in your house?
I don't know if I'm putting half or a whole one in. I really like lemon, but she doesn't, so we'll just squeeze.
I'm along for the ride.
Also, we found out today that we don't have one of those juicer heads that you get.
Yeah, I don't have that. Oh, there's a seed in there.
It's gonna be sheer. It's gonna blend up.
Oh, good. Okay.
It's gonna be sheer muscle right now.
All right.
Extra. I'm trying to get extra.
Do we need extra? Because I feel like the seeds are gonna fall in.
Oh, there goes another seed. It's okay. Oh, there's a few seeds in here.
Oh, Hailey, should I pick them out?
No. Nothing's gonna grow in your tummy.
Oh my
Mom.
gosh, they're all going there. Stop it. There's 7 seeds in there.
Okay, Holly said, ooh, lemon with those strawberries looks good.
Okay, can I take these seeds
Do
out?
not put your hands in the daiquiri.
Okay.
You guys, this whole thing is called quarantine, and she's trying to put her hands in my smoothie.
Okay.
No.
I'm going to go with it.
No.
Holly, should I be eating it when it has seeds in it?
Okay, to Holly, alcohol is alcohol.
Okay.
She said get the seeds. Holly said get the seeds.
See? Thank you, Holly. I'm going to get a spoon. I'll get a spoon.
Okay, she's going to get the seeds. While she does that, I'll go to what's really important.
Okay, hold on. We got to get the seeds out first. Let me see. All right. Holly, are you in bed drinking again? Oh, that one went farther down.
This is why I told her not to get the seeds, Holly.
Okay, that's not working. I feel like...
Okay, don't take Holly's advice.
I can't get the seeds.
It's fine.
We're eating seeds now.
All right.
All
I'm
right.
going to measure these out.
Oh, wait, how many are we putting in here?
4.
4?
Yeah.
I gotta be able to drink it.
It's 1 for each cup of strawberries.
Holy smokes.
Oh, I probably only have 3 cups of strawberries. I'll put 3.
Okay, let's do 3.
We'll do 3.
Let's play it safe.
We'll compromise. Oh, there is the whole reason we're doing this.
Holly said I could use my hand to get the strawberries out.
Where's the lid to this? Can you imagine if I had set it off?
Where is the lid? Oh, it's in the dishwasher.
This is what I'm dealing with, guys. You can only be so... Oh, what are you watching on Netflix? I need a new show because I'm rewatching Gossip Girl.
Okay, here we
That's
go.
how bored I am.
All right, that's all we're putting in it?
Oh, yeah?
Okay.
It's going to be real thick.
Okay.
We're supposed to have regular strawberries, but guys, stores are sold out.
We can't go to the stores
There's
either.
no chicken, there's no pasta, there's no anything.
No.
All right, you ready?
Let's do it.
Cover your ears.
Let's do it.
Look at the strawberry daiquiri.
All right, let's stir it a little
So
bit.
we should probably put another shot in there.
No, let's just wait.
It needs some
We
juice.
could always add more. We can't take it out.
Some juice.
All right, go. I'm gonna taste it.
Holly's watching Vampire Diaries. You're right. It is just as bad as Gossip Girl. She's not wrong. But it's entertaining. There we go. Holly voted another shot.
She would. She doesn't get a vote.
Okay, if Holly gives me a few hearts, I'll put another shot in.
Okay, let's try it like this. No, we have to try it first. Oh my god.
In my defense,
You know, it's called cross cocktails, but we really don't need to make cocktails. We're just kind of chit-chatting.
in my defense, her pineapple rum tastes like sugar anyways.
It did, but it
Didn't
was really
it?
good. Who's
Oh,
giving
she-
all these hearts? Is
I
that
told
Holly?
you, it's Holly.
Holly, you don't need to encourage her.
Carrie said it too. Carrie also said another shot.
Okay,
I'm
don't
just saying.
encourage her. She does not need the
It actually
encouragement.
looks really good.
Okay. It looks very red, and you know I love the color red.
By the way, friends, Mom had about a heart attack this morning when she found out that real estate is not what type of business that are still going?
Essential need.
Yeah, real estate is not an essential needed business.
But they're changing. Okay, that was a close one. So we're not supposed to be doing open houses, things like that, but we are still doing a lot of
Makes
virtual
sense.
stuff. We are doing a lot of, this is really pretty in color. So we're doing a lot of virtual listing appointments, virtual buying appointments. So up front, we're doing a lot of stuff before we have to even meet in person. But so here's the thing, we did that a lot with out of state buyers and sellers because they
Yeah.
weren't here. So we did everything virtually.
Yeah.
So now we're just doing it with the people in town. And then we've written a couple contracts subject to the visual inspection. So we do either...
So people still get inspections?
Yeah. And their inspection because...
I just want you to clarify that because I know like the people I've talked to who are having a meltdown because their lease is up and they were planning on buying a house and now it's throwing a wrench in their plans or whatever.
No, there's still... That's
people still have to move.
Yep, people still have to move. A lot of buyers still want to take advantage of the low interest rates.
Yeah.
Sellers are taking advantage. I mean, I just showed a house that we wrote an offer on and we didn't get it because there was like 5 offers. So it's
like still hot.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
So we have to do things different though. And so that's the key. And so just to be educated and figure out how it makes sense to you. And a lot of it is done virtually. And then if it is done, then it's minimal people like me and you. And we keep our distance and we have gloves and protection on but we could still make it work. So
yeah,
it's all good.
I thought it was cool. I'm on someone can't hear us. I hope it's better now.
Oh no.
I just know like I'm still on Taro's emails and everything like that, and just the precautions that everyone is taking. I thought was really cool.
Well, and that's the important thing. So there's a lot of laws that you can get in trouble with. So you have to make sure whoever your real estate agent is that they know what their current law is in their town. And let me tell you, it's changing minute by minute.
Every day.
Because I did a video yesterday and I had to change it today because the laws have changed a little bit.
Yeah.
So you need to get somebody that's keeping up on that.
Yeah.
And that's really educated. So I full-time in real estate and I am like watching those things and getting the notifications and figuring out, okay, this is the new change. How can we work with that? And what does that mean for our clients? And how could we still stay compliant, stay safe, and still help our buyers and sellers?
Yeah.
So that's the key.
Holly said best realtor ever.
Oh, cheers, Holly.
All right, ready to try it?
I'm a little scared. I'm going to get drunk off of one sip, but let's give it a try. It is really good.
Okay. Yeah.
It is really good.
And like it is a little bit boozy, but the strawberries are so sweet.
Mine's not all that boozy. I feel like it's way more strawberry.
Did I get the bottom or? Okay, maybe my tolerance has gone down now that I'm not like out and about on the town because I live so often.
This is really yummy.
Right?
So yesterday was more fruity. This one's like strawberry. I don't know that I've ever had like a real strawberry daiquiri, but I bet you.
Now you have.
I know I have because you're
substitute
very
lemon with the lime.
No.
It's a little bitter.
Yeah, I like it like this.
All right.
I like it like this. So, what have you been doing? You worked out today? Outside? And it was hot, and now it's super windy and cold.
Guys, so, oh my God, someone said whipped cream.
Oh, that's what we need. How do we make homemade whipped cream?
That's what we're missing.
Oh.
Okay. Tomorrow, we got you guys. We'll figure it out.
I can't make whipped cream.
Heavy cream.
We don't have that. I don't have anything to make that. I can put pudding on top. That's all I have is pudding.
She did save the extra pudding if anyone wanted to know. No, I've been just like trying to maintain some structure. I think it's really like I could easily wake up at 10 a.m. like I want to and like still get to work and still get all my work stuff done for the day, just like a little bit later. No, I've been trying to get up and get active. I made Mom go with me for a walk the other day. She didn't love it, but I made her like super homemade, what was it? Hot chocolate?
Hailey's actually a really good cook.
I am.
She made me like real hot chocolate, not like
that's not cooking, but it's...
no, no. You are
I'm also a good chef,
and you also made. So I have only made hot chocolate by tearing the wrapper open and putting it in water. And Hailey had cocoa and milk and I don't know what else you put in it, but vanilla,
a little bit of sugar.
Yeah,
you know.
I don't know. Anyways,
razzle dazzle.
It was really yummy.
Yeah.
So that was exciting. And then we went for a walk. It was about a mile around our lake. And now I can't walk.
Yeah, she said she was sore. We literally went on a walk.
Well, it could be the exercises that I did with Sarah.
Oh.
Because she made me do 3 squats.
3. silent. Everyone went silent. Our viewers went silent.
I need some hearts.
They were like, wow, she
I
just
need
did
some
3
hearts
squats.
for the 3 squats. Come on now.
Do not give her hearts.
Squats. Give me a heart. That was good for me.
Oh, that's interesting. Free
What?
workouts on Zoom with Greg Thurston. Love that. Who'd you do it with?
Sarah with Elevated Fitness Co. And they're doing online workouts as well.
I'm telling you, it's like a new.
But you
a
know
new
what
world.
I
No
love,
one's gonna leave their house
and
after
I'm
this.
sure that Greg's doing it too. But what I love is, there's always been, you can go to YouTube and get a workout. But I need somebody to tell me like what I need to do, and then watch me do it. Like whether it's a Zoom call, like Sarah and I did, because I could say, let me do that, but then I was like, I always do it wrong because I'm not feeling it in the
for
right
her, it's the
places.
form. For me, it's like different levels. Like one day I want to go intermediate and get a good sweat, but one day it's more of like a light workout because I'm sore from the day before. So I heard that she did that.
Yeah.
And I think the different levels.
She showed me the hard level first, and then quickly realized that I was not ready for the hard level. So then she switched it to the easy level. So she was very, very patient with me,
I'm
which
dying to try.
was nice. But yeah, it was wow.
I hope that she's on here and she knows, like, since then, my mom's been sore and done nothing. So she needs to, like, get a hold of you and make you work out.
I did not tell her. I was going to text her and was like, you killed me. Even though we literally did, like, 3 squats. Like, we stretched and then did, like, 3 squats.
You're probably hurt from the stretching because you don't stretch.
I don't know. But it was too much for me. And I was like, okay, either this means I need to work out more, which is what I'm sure it means. But I took it as, baby, my body's telling me don't do that. It's like screaming at me.
For anyone here who's like into physical fitness, like you got to push through it. Like the first week and a half is the hardest. Like someone vouched for me. The first week and a half is tough.
Yeah, I might go for a walk with you tomorrow.
That'd be lovely.
If you're going to make me cocoa again.
You guys, nothing comes for free. So you're welcome that we have this like great show that you can watch for nothing.
Right? Because we just are here to try to entertain ourselves and you guys during this.
Holly.
Crazy... What did Holly say?
We're in a quarantine. She said, go see my mom. She's working out every day. We cannot go see your mom.
Oh, but we could FaceTime with her and we could work out together.
Oh my God, we could work out in our driveways and see each other.
Oh, that would be so fun.
That would be fun. Holly, you should come down and like park on the street and you can work out.
Oh, yeah.
A little bit.
In the street behind your car.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that.
Oh, Ornella said hello.
Hi.
All right. Well, we've taken up enough of your guys' time.
Yeah, I think so.
Thanks for hanging out with us.
I'm going to enjoy this drink. I'm going to make my family some dinner now. And I guess we'll see you tomorrow. Give us some ideas on what to make. Or if you want me to wing it again like yesterday, that's kind of a hot mess.
I'll step in if it gets out of I'll step in if it gets out of control, I promise you.
This is way better than yesterday. I think this is more like a real drink.
Oh, 1,000%.
Mine was, but
a smoothie.
it really wasn't a smoothie. I mean, I put pudding in it and it got like hard as a rock. It was
True. Well, even if you learn nothing about how to make drinks because you're already drinking at home, like, hope we shared some knowledge with you.
Yeah.
If you have any real estate questions.
A little bit of fun.
Yeah, any real estate questions?
Yeah, if you
Want to
have
stay updated on
if you are bored at home and you want to get your house ready to sell, or if you're bored at home and you want to look at pretty homes online and talk about buying a home,
get your house ready to sell.
I'm having a lot of consultations from both buyers and sellers.
Everybody's home all day
now. Yeah, and that's why there's so many sellers out looking, because I had
buyers out looking.
Sorry,
yeah,
buyers out looking.
That's what I'm here for.
Because they used to be, get home like 8 or too late from work and they couldn't go look at homes, and now they're home, so they're available. So,
but be safe if you're out and about.
I am very safe.
Yeah,
because
precautions.
I don't want to get it, and I do not want to give it to somebody.
Yeah.
So we have to make sure that we're safe at all times. So that's number one. But all right, well,
cheers.
One more drink. Cheers. All right, guys. I have to reach way over there.
Push the button.
And push the button.
Oh, she's not gonna reach.
I'm not gonna reach.
You're
All
not
right.
gonna reach.
Oh
There
my
she
goodness.
is.
All right. Bye,
That's long
guys.
arms.
See ya.